I hope you enjoyed the very last lecture. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to do the scrolling text effect. Those scrolling text you see beneath videos, either in news or just passing information. Those ones you see moving from right to left. It's super easy to do, not complicated. I'm just going to show you how to do it using Keyframe. So work with me. So for instance, we want it to appear here. All right. Maybe we want it to appear here and we want it. Okay, let's just assume we want it to start at this spot. The first thing we'll do now is to go to text and put in our text. So we're going to be using default text for this. So let's just hit default text. So now we have it, and this is default text. So we'll do Control A to highlight it. And I'm just going to write something in the line of thanks for following this course so far. I hope you are enjoying every bit of it. Remember to follow, like, share, and subscribe. So I'm just using this. Okay. So I'm just using this for instance. So now we have that text, as you can see it's there, we have it, and we can reduce the size. Okay, like that. We have it at 5. So now we'll just bring it down here, and the first thing we want to do is to just get it out of the frame. Okay, like that. So now that we have it out of the frame, we now want to go down and find our position keyframe. Okay, so position keyframe, right? Just gonna look for that. So position keyframe, then we'll add our first keyframe here. All right, that's our first keyframe, and then we move it to the end. Like that. Just like that. And then we'll add another keyframe. Yeah, there. Okay, so okay, I made an error with this, so I'm going to do it again. Okay, this was an error, so we're just going to do that again. I'm going to get rid of this keyframe, and that's why you see I hardly edit my video, because you can make this error yourself, and it's just for you to fix it. Okay, so now let's try and fix it and make it work the right way. Okay, so we're going to do the first keyframe, and it's going to start here. Right, this is where it's going to start. It's going to start like that, and then we'll move to the end, and then that's where we'll add our other keyframe. Okay, I hope it's clear. Super easy, not complicated at all. So we just get that out like that. All right, so we have the tool, and now if we go over and play it, this is how it's going to look. Okay, as you can see, it moved extremely fast, right? So to increase the speed, all we need to do is to click on it, and we can go back up. Okay, and we can just increase it like this to the end, and we'll take this keyframe we have here, we'll drag it to the end like that. So now if we play it, it's going to be a bit slower. All right, it's going to be a bit slower. Let's see. You can see it's a bit slower, and we have it just where we want it to be, and it's super easy to do, not complicated at all. It's super easy to do. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you'll be able to add it to your creations going forward, to pass your information, to give credit, to do things like that, to tell people to follow you, whatever you want to use it for. Now you know how to do it. You know how to do the scrolling text effects in Capcut PC, and I'm super happy you can do it for yourself now. Go out, try all these things I've showed you together in a video, and let me know down how it works. See you on the next one. David says, stay blessed.